Hello, guys, and welcome back to this session of the episode on how to use colors as a beginner. So, without further ado, let's get straight into it. But then, if you are new to this channel, please hit on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our subsequent tutorials. And also, like and drop your comment. What do you think about this particular tutorial? Drop it at the comment section. And if you are already a member to this particular channel, please go ahead and also like and also share to your friends so that we all come to learn. Okay, we are all learning over here. So still on the colors. Okay, so when we come to orange, when it comes to emotion, it can hurt. We are having optimistic, independent, adventurous, creativity, and fun. And also, when it comes to industry, we can use it in the art, entertainment, food, sports, transportation, and the rest. And these are what it is used to actually stimulate, communicate, fun, draw attention, express freedom, and also fascinate. Okay, so there are a whole lot of things that you will need to actually learn on this particular chart, and this is the reason why I'm going to pin it at the comment section. Go and grab it, learn everything that you need to learn on this particular color chart, and color is going to be easy for you. So let me go back to the color combinations. So we are having this color combination as well. We are having this color. This is the 3 color combination, and then we are having this as well. We are having this, which is this one, and this is how it was applied in a design. Actually, this is a logo. So when we come to this one, this is the color, and this is how it was applied in a design. So as a beginner, we have this particular color palette here, and this was how it was used in a design. So colors can be very, very simple when one way or the other you actually look for design inspirations. Okay, but yeah, you can draw color ideas from design inspirations, that is designs like this. Okay, and in the next tutorial I'm going to teach you where you can get thousands of design inspiration for free. When we talk about design inspiration, these are designs that have been made by experts, which is going to give you a hands-on understanding on how you should go about your next project. So you can look at this particular design here, how the shapes was positioned on the design, how the colors was used, and you can implement this same idea in a different way in your own project or your design. It's as simple as that. So we are having a whole lot of color combinations and the rest. So this is how color is being used. Do not forget the rule. The rule says that the light colors falls on dark colors, whilst dark colors falls on light colors. So this is what you need to know as a beginner. It's as simple as ABC. So let me go to my Pt3 Lab application. So let's take, for example, we are having this particular shade. Let me use this particular color. So we are having this shade. We see that it's a dark color. Now let's go to the text. Let me change a few things over here. So this is the color. Now we choose this particular color. Then let's go to the font and then change it to something bold. You could see that this particular color is clear on this particular color. Okay, but then if we were to use this same color as on the text place, one way or the other, we wouldn't have seen it clearly. So basically, this is how color works. Dark colors falling on light colors and light colors falling on dark colors. See you in the next tutorial.